welcome to this course page. Great to see you're interested in Angular, an awesome framework which will allow you to create modern, very reactive web applications running in the browser. My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller and I'm a freelance web developer and I've worked with Angular since its early alpha stage. I created this 5-star rated course because I wanted to pass on my knowledge about Angular, and I'm very happy to do so. I'm sure in this course you're going to learn everything you need to build amazing applications with Angular, and we're not going to stay on a basic level. Whilst we're starting with the basics and we'll build up all the things you need to know step by step, we're going to dive very deep into Angular. And we're even going to build a project in this course which really allows you to put all the things you learn there into practice and which allows you to see them come together in a real project. You will learn all about the core features Angular offers, and by the end of this course, you will be able to build amazing applications with it totally on your own. So I'd be very happy to welcome you in the course and can't wait to get started together with you.